Can you use beard wax every day? For several years now, beards have been in fashion, but they have gained more popularity during the COVID-19 lockdown. Most of us were indoors and maybe couldn't be bothered to shave regularly, or maybe you thought it would be a good time to grow out your beard and see how it looked. So, the beard grew longer, and before you knew it, it became out of control. That's no problem if you know what to use to keep it tame and tidy. Beard wax is one of my favorite beard products, as it helps me tame my unruly hair and makes my beard look more stylish and well maintained. Since it's such a grooming essential, you may be wondering if you can use it every day. The truth is, if you have a long beard, a beard wash or shampoo can dry up your skin if used every day, but you can use a beard wax to tame your hair daily. If you buy a good quality beard wax and use it correctly, you also don't need to worry about your beard bristles' health. The section below will answer your question about using beard wax every day. I won't stop there. I will also share what beard wax does, how to apply it, and how to remove it from your beard without leaving any residue. And by the way, I have a free gift for you. Therefore, you have to check out the first link in the video description below this video and grab your free copy of the 7 biggest beard growing myths that you probably still believe in. This ebook will not only debunk the 7 most common myths about growing a beard, but will also show you ways to grow your beard longer and faster. Is beard wax safe? Like many beard products, using beard wax is safe and serves a vital purpose. It is important to add it to your daily grooming routine if you are growing a long beard. You don't want a wild mess on your face, do you? You need a beard wax to hold your beard in shape, style it, and make it look its best. To understand how the beard wax works, think of it as a hairspray. The way a hairspray provides a firm hold on your hair is how a beard wax acts on your beard. Compared to a beard balm and beard oil, beard wax works differently. It is used to style the beard. It ensures wild hairs don't fly all over your face, and it gives your beard a strong hold, staying in place even when the strongest wind comes through. Beard wax isn't meant to have nourishing power for your beard. The ingredients used in making it are safe for your skin, and it is mostly made up of beeswax. A beard balm is also made with beeswax, but a beard wax has a higher concentration. Beard wax doesn't share the conditioning and moisturizing qualities of beard oil. It is used mainly for styling purposes, helping your beard stay in a fixed position to defy gravitational force. If you wonder if there is any difference between a beard wax and mustache wax, there isn't much. Although they share similar features and ingredients and can both be used for facial hair, they are actually different products. The major difference between the two products is their taming strength. Is beard wax meant for daily use? If you have a long beard that is hard to tame, then yes, you can use it daily. Beard wax has a greater volume of beeswax in it than beard balm. It is thick and lets you shape your beard while keeping every strand exactly where you want it. Using beard wax is perfect for giving you more control of your beard. Whenever you have a bad beard day, make use of your beard wax and take control when those whiskers are proving stubborn. Having a long beard comes with its responsibilities, and learning how to tame it is one of them. So, if you have the time, you can certainly apply it every day. Many bearded men are concerned about their beard's health and wonder if there is any risk attached to it. If your beard wax is of good quality and applied correctly, then you don't need to fear. Take your time to become familiar with the beard wax ingredients you choose and go for higher quality products. The best beard wax usually contains beeswax, castor oil, lanolin, vitamin E, shea butter, and coconut oil. These ingredients come together to provide a product with strong holding properties that also promotes healthy beard growth. How to apply beard wax? Applying beard wax isn't difficult. However, we want to be careful with any product we use on our hair and face. Therefore, we need to look at the do's and don'ts of using a beard wax. Before I reveal to you the process, let's look at what you should do before applying the beard wax. Preparing your beard. Use beard shampoo to wash your beard. It is important to ensure your beard is perfectly clean before applying any product. Although this isn't important, if done, it's beneficial. You can use a conditioner on your beard after washing with shampoo. The conditioner will make the beard softer and in better condition for styling. Make sure you towel dry your beard. Comb out the hair carefully. You don't want to apply beard wax on tangled hair if you want to see a good result. That is it for what you should do before applying a beard wax. Let's now look at how to apply the beard wax itself. Preparing your beard wax. Your beard wax needs to be softened in a container before you can use it. There are a few ways to do this. Hold the can containing the beard wax over boiling water until you see that it has softened slightly. Make sure you don't let any water in as you run some hot water over the can to make the beard wax inside soft. A blow dryer can suffice in a pinch. You can put it on and blow it over the can for a while. The aim is to soften the beard wax. Use a finger to fetch some of the softened beard wax from the container. Don't dip your finger deep inside. Just run it over the surface of the beard wax and take a layer of the wax off. Use your fingers and thumb to rub the wax to soften the beard wax, then rub it onto your fingers, to coat them slightly with the product. Now that you have a ready-to-use beard wax on your fingers and a clean and well-conditioned beard, let's look at the most important process, applying the beard wax. Applying your beard wax. Apply the beard wax to the outer layer of your beard hair, starting from the side of your face. Work your hand slowly through the beard. You don't need to rush, do it methodically, making sure to apply it lightly to all parts of your beard. Use a beard brush to set the beard wax evenly on your beard. Alternatively, you can use a comb. To avoid having more or less beard wax on some part of your beard than the other, use a small amount of beard wax at a time and ensure it is evenly distributed. Now, use a comb to give your beard the look and style you want it to have. This will also set the beard wax into the hair. That's it. If you follow the steps I gave carefully, you should have a perfectly shaped beard now. The shape totally depends on how you want it to look. It's up to you to choose your special look. Removing beard wax from your beard. Most people are guilty of leaving beard wax in their beard for more than 24 hours. Hence, the need for this section. It is good to remove beard wax from your beard at the end of each day you use it. Doing this will prevent buildup. You wouldn't want blocked pores and a sticky, heavy beard, right? I know you wouldn't. Now, let's look at how to remove beard wax from your beard. Avoid using soap and water. Using hot, soapy water to wash off beard wax isn't the best choice. Some soaps have ingredients that can be harmful to your facial hair, and hot water can dry out your whiskers. Also, don't use shampoos meant for your scalp hair on your beard. Your head hair and beard hair are two different beasts with different needs, making it possible for some shampoos to be harmful to your beard. Use beard washes and conditioners instead. A beard wash or beard shampoo should be used to remove the beard wax. Beard shampoos or washes are made strictly for the beard. They don't contain any chemicals that will irritate your facial skin or strip it of its natural oil, sebum. A high-quality beard wash such as Viking Revolution Beard Wash and Beard Conditioner Set will help you clean up any dirt and dust without tampering with the beard's natural oils. It contains jojoba oil that softens, smoothens, and strengthens beards, promoting their growth. Wash the beard. Apply a small amount of beard wash to your beard. Massage it in, ensuring you spread it evenly to cover all your beard hairs, right down to the skin. Allow the shampoo or wash to soak into your beard for a few minutes to get to the wax you want to wash off. Then use a beard comb to take off any excess shampoo and wax. You can also use a beard conditioner to remove the wax buildup in your beard. Rinse the beard. Use warm water to rinse the beard and remove the wax. You can let your beard dry on its own or pat it with a soft towel. That's simple, right? Yes, it is, but if not done properly, you won't achieve good results. Conclusion. We all know how frustrating an unruly beard can be, which is why we decided to create this article with tips on how you can safely use your beard wax every day to get control of your untidy facial hair. If you apply beard wax correctly, you will notice a big difference with your beard's appearance and health. Finally, if you have a long beard, beard wax is a grooming product you can't afford to leave out of your grooming kit. You need to apply special care to your beard maintenance routine, because using the right products in the right way, including removing them safely and easily, will make it easy and enjoyable to grow a stunning, well-groomed beard. Not that I've shared these tips with you, your beard grooming can be stress-free. If you found the video helpful, show appreciation by giving it a thumbs up. Likewise, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks and visit beardguidance.com. And don't forget to grab a free copy of the 7 biggest beard growing myths in the link below this video. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching.